4, and a 5.
5 what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
One more.
6.
Whoa, 6. You only got 5 there. How did it become 6?
5.
Can you do it again? Start all over again. You need to start from the big one. You have to put the big one first. What's that?
A donut.
A donut? Oh, a donut. Oh, careful. Oh.
Well, donut.
Yes. What color is that donut? What color?
Green.
Green? I like a blue donut. I like to eat some blue donut. Oh, where's the O? O for ostrich. There, good job. What else?
Hippo.
A hippo. H for hippo.
Lion.
L for lion.
Lion.
Yeah, L for lion.
Bird.
Mm.
Ooh, bird.
Oh, bird.
Tit.
F for fish.
Go.
F for fish.
F for fish.
What about
And an axie fish.
that's a whale.
In a way.
Yeah, W for whale. Yeah, and P for panda. Where is letter P? Yep, panda. There is a panda. Where is J for jaguar? Oh. Oh. So where is A for ants? What about the C for crab? What about the E for elephant? Well done. What about oh,
A sheep.
a sheep?
Oh, it's a sheep.
S for sheep.
Oh, it's a leopard.
Oh,
And a bunny.
oh, B for bunny. Where's the bunny? Where's the B?
A bear.
A bear for B. B for bear.
Oh, start. Bird.
Wow. Good job. It's animals, yeah?
Oh, it's a
Starting letters of the animal.
bear, and a
Crab and a duck. D for duck, E for elephant, C for crab. Crab. That's a crab, C for crab. Where is the elephant? E for elephant. And where is the F for fish? Where is the L for lion? Where is the K for koala? K for koala. Yeah, good job. Now, can you give me a kiss now?